Drivers behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And we currently have the 4 highest ranked teams in this match, 2 on the blue side and 2 on the red. As we could possibly get a new high score in this one, the way things have been shaping up. Coming out of autonomous, it's 23 for the blue and 20 for the red, with 2 minutes and 15 seconds of now controlled chaos at the bottom of the sea. The waters are crystal clear, the waves are calm as the bots continue to score and score and score and score. It's 33-20 in favor of the Blue Alliance right now. As 41-12, the Eagle Bots has piece of coral in their possession, scoring high alongside 16-48. The one for the Eagle Bots falls back down to the floor. 68-29, that's the Ignite Robotics team. Has one, placing it high, it lands in the trough for 2. Would have been 5 if they've got it on the top. The coral on the top of the reef is worth 5 points. In the middle, it's worth 4. And on the low branch, it's worth 3. If it falls into the trough, just like what happened on the Blue Alliance, 2 points for them, as it's now 60-40 in favor of the Blue Alliance. The Blue Alliance has the current number 1 and number 3 ranked teams in the Red Alliance, 2 and 4. As the Red Alliance inches closer to the Blue Alliance, it's 6-point lead for the Blue Alliance with 1:13 left to go. As 29-74, the Walton Robotics brings that even closer, as it's now 60-59 with 1:06 to go. Now the Blue Alliance gains another. There we go. They continue to go back and forth. Another 5 points for the Blue Alliance, 73-64 in favor of the Blue Alliance, as we've got 55 seconds left to go. 41-12, the Eagle Bots pushing the coral along the ocean floor as the Walton Robotics team. And 68-29, Ignite Robotics head towards the reef. Walton Robotics, 68-29. Walton Robotics on the side with the coral processors, scoring 6 points apiece as they take the lead over the Blue Alliance. It's now 90-87 in favor of the Red Alliance with 30 seconds left to go. Still a lot of time for scoring. Our current high score so far is 114. We're closing in on that right now with 20 seconds left to go. A lot of scoring can happen in the end game as we're down to under 20 seconds, 63-40. That's the Marist Manatees. They're at that low, deep anchored cage, pulling themselves off of the floor. 16-48. G3 Robotics doing the same thing. That's a 24-point swing right there as the Red Alliance bot comes up underneath the barge and parks themselves with 1 second left to go. Wow, over on the Blue Alliance, that could be some ranking points, and also a high score as we're at 120 going off of the match. That beats the previous score by 6, but we'll see what happens when the red or the blue fish start swimming on the coral reef in just a moment. Currently, the world high scores for the matches with no penalties is 240. And with penalties is 374. Can you believe that? As we await the final score in this match and which color of fish will swim on the reef. And here we go. The fish are getting released. It is going to be the Red Alliance. Red Alliance fish swimming with a score 128-115 with a new high score now. 128-115 as the Blue Alliance gained 1 ranking point apiece for their alliance with their autonomous, moving off of the starting point and scoring at least one piece of coral. The Red Alliance did the same, and they also got 3 ranking points for the victory.